everybody, guess what I have? I have a nice box. I had a company send me an email asking me if I would be interested in one of these cookers. I did some research and I'm like, yeah, and all they want me to do is show you guys some recipes and how things work. So first what we're going to do is we're going to do an unboxing so I can show you what cooker I got. And then you guys will have to stay tuned because I plan on doing a lot of cooking videos with this. But there is, you guys can purchase this on Amazon or you guys can purchase it directly through the website. You guys also can join a Facebook group asking questions and meals and stuff. I've joined the Facebook group and I've already learned a couple new things. Sorry if you guys can't see me. This is a very, very large box. Very large box. Let's see what's inside. And it's a box within a box. Okay, this is awesome. So let me take this out of the box. Huh. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I'm sorry you guys have to look at my butt. But this is what I got. I got the Cosori. I think I'd say that premium slow cooker or multi-cooker. It is a 6-quart pressure cooker. This is what it looks like in the picture. I am super excited to use this. A lot of people are talking about like using an Instapot or something like this, but this is pretty much the same thing. It is a slow cooker, a rice cooker. You can make yogurt. You can do a whole bunch of stuff in here. So I am ready to show you guys. This is really cute. On the top of the box it says, "Look for me inside." So I'm super excited about this. Here is a book with the, I think it has, I'll show it to you guys in a second, but it's got some nice styrofoam. We got the lid. Sorry if you guys can't see this, but we got the lid. And then, oh, this thing is big. I didn't realize how big this thing is going to be. So here it is. Here it is. So, I am going to show you guys a lot of food deals with this thing. I didn't realize this thing was this big. This is a 6-quart. But look at that. It's a slow cooker. I heard so many things with it, but you guys kind of call it an Instapot. I think this does the same thing. But you can cook meat with it, poultry, soup, beans, chili, steamed vegetables, multigrain, brown rice, white rice. You guys can slow cook with it, yogurt, make pasta, boil pasta, that's awesome. Steamed potatoes, ooh, I love potatoes. Hot pot, you can saute, bake, or reheat. So I saw a beef stroganoff recipe that I am super excited to try. So you guys will definitely have to stay tuned for this. I just wanted to show you guys like the unboxing. This has been sitting outside. So it's like freezing cold outside. So this is like really cold. I'll open it in just a second. But I'm just so excited to get this. And it's under $100 if you guys are interested in getting something like this. But it comes with a recipe book. And there's this, it's like a big book. Peach cobbler, corn saute, salted coma dessert, russet potatoes, potato salad, ooh, artichoke appetizer, cinnamon oats, just so much stuff. Ooh, soup, chicken tortilla soup, oh, that sounds good. Classic chicken and vegetable soup, ginger sauce chicken, baby back ribs, oh yeah, beef stew. So that is awesome. You guys will definitely have to stay tuned for this cooker. I am so excited to share things with you guys. But if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more instant meals. I'm ready to make things easier and just cook easier with my family. So you guys will definitely have to stay tuned for that. But if you guys haven't already, click that like button so I know you guys enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye!